Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf, a Dutch artist, and it's been a while since I posted on this YouTube channel, and the reason why I didn't post anything because I was very busy making an exhibition for a museum. It's about World War II, so it took me about 3 months to do the design and also make some storyboards for 3D animation. I also made a documentary for the exhibition. But now I finally have the time to work on my graphic novel again. It's called World of Whatif, Horus Hippo Returns, and I already published the first chapter, and you can read it for free. When you have Apple Books, you can download it, and I'll leave a link below this video. When you're working on a graphic novel, you come in a certain flow of drawing, and now I have to, pick it up where I left off 3 months ago. So that's sometimes quite challenging, to start drawing and get into the drift of, sketching and inking and doing the layouts for your comics. And sometimes it's also very healthy, to look back at the work you've done before so that you can still improve some little things. At the moment I'm working at a page, and that's about Yggdrasil. And Yggdrasil is the tree of life. It's a Norse mythology. And I'm now sketching in Procreate. I'm sketching a moose, and on top of the moose is an acorn. These are acorn people that are the guards of Yggdrasil. I'm using different kind of mythology, so the Nordic mythology, also the Eastern mythologies, the Southern mythology, and the West mythologies. Because the world of Whatif is the world of creation, the world of stories. So I'm now really getting back into, sketching, and sometimes I do a very rough sketch, and then on a separate layer, refining the sketch. And I really needed to get back into, drawing the characters, so I had to review all the pages I did before. And in this story, they're at the base of Yggdrasil, of the tree, and they have to get to the top of the tree. And they're using the moose, to get up the tree. I also use reference images, to draw the moose and see how the antlers work. And I use the reference window so that you can have it on top of what you're drawing. And I first want to refine the sketch before I start inking. So you have to find a stylistic way to draw characters like this that's still in the same style as the graphic novel. And the moose is called Dane, and that's also part of the story of Yggdrasil. These are, I think they're deer, but I liked the moose a little bit more because the antlers are a lot bigger. And after I finished the sketch, I lower the opacity of the layers of the sketch, and then I start inking. And this is the page that they are at the base of Yggdrasil. So I'm now inking the base of Yggdrasil using my own brushes, and I'm now using the Walt Kelly brush. I've made several videos already about making this graphic novel, and I'll leave a link below this video, or at the end of the video you can click on the playlist of all the pages I've done so far for the graphic novel The World of Whatif, Horus Hippo Returns. And I'm now inking Doki, and Doki is a twin of Oki and Doki. And I first drew this character in 1999 when I started out with this story, and it was published as The World of Whatif, Quab and the Retro Flash. It was the first comic that was published as a publishing on demand comic. So when you haven't drawn for a while, you have to be patient, to get back into the flow. And the best way to do that is just to start drawing and, make mistakes. And before you know it, you're back in your old workflow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!